Hey, we got a 2024 Grenadier, the Ineos. Did the WolfBox G900pro. This is a front and rear dash camera. This is what the rear dash camera went. We routed so it goes through the factory grommet. Okay. So you don't see no cables or anything. We hardwired this car, the dash camera. Close this up here. It's a brand new Grenadier, as you can see. Nice car. And then we also did, you'll see, we used the special bracket that is made for this car to put that in there. This is how it came out. So it looks like it came from the car. Nice and clear. This is the front dash camera. Boom. Again, this is a 2024 Ineos Grenadier dash camera, front and rear installation.